In this video, guys, I'm going to show you some of the affiliate marketing programs that I promote so you can take a look if you want to promote the same products. So first of all, I promote this high-tech training. The name is Freedom Accelerator. This is my affiliate dashboard. As you can see on the screen, I have sent 108 referrals to this company, 137 clicks, and these are my unpaid earnings. So as an affiliate marketer, you may know that if someone buys through this link, I can make a commission. And the link that I promote, it's this one, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. And if someone put their information in that page, I will send another referral to this company. And if that person buys, I can make more commissions. But now I want to show you the lessons. For example, this is the 72-hour challenge. The price is $9. And here, people are going to learn the Freedom to Roadmap, which is basically how affiliate marketing works, some success stories, then how to build the automated sales system. So this part is really important because with this system, I'm making commissions, and you can use two softwares, ClickFunnels with GetResponse or System.io. Although Jonathan is going to update this lesson because he's going to launch his new unfair tool that is going to change the affiliate marketing space. And why do I say that? Because here you need to build your entire funnel, build the email sequence by your own, but using his new brand system, we just need to copy and paste our affiliate links in one page and then send traffic to an opt-in page which is already set up, and I'm testing that software and I'm going to show it to you later. Then people they are going to learn 3 secret traffic methods for fast results. So once you have your entire system, which is a sales funnel, you need to drive traffic to it. So you can start collecting leads, and some of those leads will become your customers. For example, I'm going to show you my system. So this is ClickFunnels, and if I click on edit page, because I want to show you the opt-in page that I use to collect leads. So basically, I drive traffic to this page, and this page helps me to collect a name and an email. And that information is crucial if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing. So in the meantime, let me show you. So this is GetResponse. This is a software for email marketing. And I store my contacts or leads here. As you can see on the screen, I have collected 1,196 emails. And the more emails I collect, the more money I make. And that was one of the most powerful lessons or knowledge that I learned from this training. So here in Freedom to Roadmap, so Jonathan explains his own story, but for example, why it's important to having an email list. So an email list is important because you can promote dozens and multiple affiliate programs. You can build your social media following. It's like an online ATM machine. You will have authority because online businesses will know you have that list and they will pay you to promote products. Okay, so if people want to grow their affiliate business to the next level, they can have access to this training, which is the high ticket product Freedom Accelerator. And you can see it has all this information to grow and scale your affiliate marketing business. So the other product that I want to show you It's this one, the secrets of success. So this is a brand new training from Russell Brunson, and basically with this training, it will help you to have a winning mindset. So check this out. So if I click on the library, you're going to see that I have I have access to these lessons. For example, lesson from Napoleon Hill. Here I have 6 courses available, and every month I'm going to receive 2 new credits for 2 additional courses. Right now I have 0 credits, but when you start with this training, you will have 3 credits. And I use some of my credits to unlock these lessons. For example, this one. It will place you wherever you wish to be among men. So if I click here, so this is an entire book, and I can listen all the audio lessons in this page. And if I want, I can read the digital book, or I can stream to my favorite app. So check this out. If I click on listen here, these are all the lessons that I can listen. Okay, the other thing that I want to show you that I unlock, it's this one, the Ultimate Napoleon Hill Library. So I got access to this one, and the other book. Let me see if I can find. I think it's on Dale Carnegie. Oh yeah, it's this one, the Ultimate Dale Carnegie Library. So I unlocked these 3 books because having a success mindset is important if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing. So basically, when I woke up, I just started to listen this training. And also, you can promote this one because they have a referral program. Okay, the other thing that you can promote is the software GetResponse. This is an email marketing software. I store here my contacts, and I do here the email marketing. For example, if I want to promote a product, I just need to click here on create a newsletter and write the newsletter, and that is how I promote products. For example, here I'm promoting Funnel Freedom Data, which is the software that my mentor Jonathan is going to launch in this month. Here I sent a value letter, and I have been promoting rigorously the Funnel Freedom.io, as you can see in the screen. And also, I promoted here Secrets of Success. So this is a really cool software for affiliate marketing. The other software that you can promote is ClickFunnels. So this is for building funnels. So you can check it out if you want. And the last product is funnelfreedom.io. For example, one of the cool things about this software is that, as you can see, I have here my affiliate links, and I'm promoting here the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator webinar, the Funnel Freedom, which is the software Secrets of Success. This is my affiliate link, and I have here all of these links. And if I click on sites, here you'll see the course that I'm giving away for free in exchange for the email. So that is called a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that you give in exchange for the email. And this course has 7 modules. Let me show you This is the opt-in page, and I'm driving traffic to this page, how anyone can launch the #1 beginner-friendly, fully automated online business from home. When people click here, take the free course, I can collect the name and the email, which is really critical if you want to have a successful affiliate business for the long term. Also, so here, I don't know why it didn't appear my own photo because, so let's refresh it. Okay, so I need to check this. And here is Jonathan photos. And right now I have collected 3 leads with this software. So if I click on contacts, I have there the emails that I'm collecting. And this software, so when you collect that information, this software starts to send emails automatically. And you can find here in automation, you can find like all the email sequence. So instead of building your own email sequence, like using get response, and if I click here on automation, here you need to build from scratch all the emails. For example, if I click on Freedom Accelerator, so here I have all these emails. For example, when someone subscribes to this list, get response is going to send these 2 emails, then it's going to wait for 1 day, and it's going to send the email number 2. And basically, you need to build this entire email sequence to promote multiple products. But with this software, we have this entire email sequence just ready to be sent to our email list. So check this out. If I click on white label course Freedom Ascension, so I have here 2 email sequence, and I didn't build this my own. So this is, I have this email sequence just ready to be sent. So when I got access to this software, these are the email sequence that they are in within the software. So if I click on welcome sequence, you're going to see that it's very similar to this one. So check this out. So when someone subscribes to this form, the free course opt-in page, people are going to be tagged with this Freedom Ascension opt-in, and they will receive a welcome message, which is the course access. Then, as you can see on the screen, I have 1 people waiting here. So it's going to wait, this software is going to wait for 1 day, and it's going to send the email number 2, which is to promote the 72-hour challenge, and then it's going to wait for another day, and it's going to send a personal email backstory. And I have here 2 people waiting for this message. And then if I go back to workflows, so the email sequence keeps sending messages. So, and this is a 60-day nurture sequence. So let's see how many emails do we have here. So we have 6, 7, 8, and I'm going to scroll down. So we have right now 41 emails ready to be sent to promote all of these products that I will show it to you. So that's why it's important to put here in this page our affiliate links, because this software is going to use these affiliate links to promote all of these products by sending emails. So that's it for this video, guys. If you want to have access to this tool that is going to launch in this month, you can click the first link in the description. And also, you will find another link in the description to get access to the 72-hour challenge, which is this course. The price is $9, and you are going to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch with these lessons. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and God bless.